This class will start with the bottom-up approach. To understand this bottom-up approach, we'll consider one grammar. So that grammar is S tends to A small a, capital B, E. A tends to A, B, C or B tends to D. We need to give the input string as A, B, B, C, D, E. Okay, so now here to do a bottom-up approach, I need to consider this grammar. A, small b, small c, B, C and DE. So here what happens, to get this I'll do what thing here, go with what, this B can be replaced with A, then this A, B, C, A, B, C, I will consider it as what, capital A. Then this D, whatever D is there, I will consider it as what, B. Okay, then here what we remained, A, B, small a, capital B and small e is indicating what, your S. Okay, that is small a, capital B and small e is indicating what here, yes, that is starting symbol S. Here in bottom up approach, here bottom to up means terminals to root. It is a thing is what, when to use a non-terminal, when to use non-terminal. But in top-down approach, what to use? If I am considering this, yes, so I will start using it what, A, capital A, B, E. So now after that what we need to consider here, capital A, B, C. So here what we need to consider, capital A means what, one more B, then A, B, B, C, then capital B is nothing but we need to consider it as what, D, E. So this we have to consider in top down. This is top down, this one is bottom up approach. Okay, here what to use in top down approach, what to use, okay, in this option which things we need to use, so what to use, and here when to use. In bottom up approach it will be when to use, and this here it will always go for leftmost derivation. We already studied this in top down approach. Bottom up approach, it is at always it is what, rightmost derivations. If it nothing but what, if I consider capital A, capital B, E, so rightmost means what, RHS of a rightmost symbol I need to consider, I need to derive. See here, capital A, so this B can be derived with what, small d, A. So now here what I need to consider, A, this A can be, see this non-terminal is over at the right hand side, so next we are having non-terminal as capital A, so that can be written as what, capital A, B, C, then D, E. Okay, so now here what happens, this A can be given with one small b, one more small b, C, D, E. So this is rightmost derivations. So this is the difference between top down approach and bottom up approach. Here what to use, here when to use the non-terminals, and this is always what, leftmost derivation, this is what, rightmost derivations. This thing, this derived in previous example, just go through it. Thank you.